The Circle 2 camera system from Logitech is as much as a modular camera system as it is an individual security camera. What makes the Circle 2 really incredible is the ability to combine the camera with a bunch of other accessories or adapters that Logitech makes to go along with it. So you can take a normal Circle 2 camera, turn it into a full outdoor weatherproof system or completely battery operated system. It's really powerful and versatile and can go into a lot of different places. Now at the heart of this camera system is the actual Circle 2 camera. Now this is going to give you all of the features that you would come to expect with a modern HD internet connected camera. You're going to get 1080p HD recording, 180 degree angle field of view, you're going to get 15 feet of night vision. You're also going to get that two-way microphone and speaker system so you can communicate with people on the other end. You're going to get all those features that you would come to expect. Now some of the features that come with a camera like person notification or zone control, that comes with the Logitech Circle Safe plan. You can kind of pick and choose which plan is best for you. Plans start at about $3.99 a month, although there is a free tier as well, so you can continue to use the camera in a normal fashion. But go on the website, check and see which plan works best for you and pick that out, and you should be set up and good to go. I really like this camera. In terms of the overall design, the aesthetic looks great, it feels really solid. The software I think is really nice and intuitive. It's not too complicated, but you get a lot of depth of features as well. So overall, I really do like how this camera is built. Nice modular, you can set it up with a window mount, you can have it outside with the weatherproof mode, you can mount it to the wall, you can use the power outlet plug to plug it directly in somewhere like the kitchen. Like, it just gives you a lot of flexibility for a really great price point. The camera does start out at $179 just for the base model. That gives you like the stand that you can mount on the wall or just stand up and plug in, or you can choose to add on some of the accessories like the battery pack, which gives you 3 months of battery life on a single charge, the wall mount, the window mount, whatever you want to do. This camera is going to give you a lot of options. So really like this camera, highly recommend it, and thank you for watching.